The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 549, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Maine, Cumberland and York, and the following: Casco in Maine, waters from Cape Elizabeth, Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles, and the following counties in New Hampshire: London, Carroll, Cheshire, Grafton, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford and Sullivan, and the following counties in Massachusetts: Essex, Franklin, Middlesex, and Worcester. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.